Welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Jason here, and today we're featuring a very rare and unique Rolex President Day-Date. This is the reference 118346, and what makes this one so unique is that this one actually features the Meteorite dial from Rolex, and this is all from the Rolex factory here. And so what makes this one so unusual and a little bit more rare and unique is that it is actually made from a meteorite dial itself. So what they do is they actually take a slice of meteorite, and it's the Gibeon meteorite. So what that was is it was a significant iron meteorite that fell thousands of years ago in the Namib desert. And so what Rolex does is they actually slice that meteorite, and it's a kind of like an iron composite, and then they treat it with an acid wash. And if you take a really close look at the dial, you'll actually see these really nice crystalline pattern design, and that is one of a kind. So whenever they do that acid wash, it makes the design and the character of that meteorite really pop and shine. And so whenever you compare any two meteorite dials from Rolex, you'll never see two that are exactly the same, because they're all gonna have their own unique different patterns on the dial itself. So for me, it's a really special find. And with this particular model, it is made in all platinum. And so you're gonna have that really nice premium feel all the way around. And Rolex did feature the Meteorite dial on their Day-Date models, and also to the Daytonas and the GMT Master 2s. So Rolex really loves to have a lot of fun with those Meteorite dials, but it is very exclusive and very hard to find, and especially in these conditions right here. And so with this particular timepiece, not only does it feature that beautiful and striking meteorite dial, you also have a factory diamond bezel, which goes all the way around, which I think really complements the overall look of the meteorite dial. And especially with the high polished finish on the sides of the case here, I think it's just a very refined look. And then when you take a close look at the 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock hour markers, you have these kind of what they call maybe like a shield cut diamond. And so it's a very unusual, you don't see it a lot. Rolex does a lot of baguettes or round cuts, but on this particular model, they went a little bit more unique with that kind of that shield cut diamond, which I think adds to just that overall rareness of the watch itself. And then also too, you have these Arabic numerals that go all the way around the dial itself. So there's just a lot of character to this timepiece. It's not the traditional or average President Day-Date that you normally see. This one is going to be something very special to add to your collection. And it does feature a 36mm case size. So this is going to be great size for any ladies that like that modern size watch that's a little bit on the larger side, or for the guy that loves that iconic traditional President Day-Date size. This is going to be a fantastic option for pretty much anybody that's looking for that elevated timepiece in their inventory. Again, this whole case, bracelet, everything is all going to be from made of platinum. So you're going to have that really nice weight compared to stainless steel or white gold. So it's going to have that overall really great premium feel. And of course, this still features the iconic presidential style bracelet with that hidden clasp that everyone loves and enjoys. And then you have this really nice high polish finish in the center and brush finish on the side. So it gives it a very nice polished look. And so with this one here, it does feature the 3155 caliber, so it's going to give you a really nice 48-hour power reserve. And here at SwissWatchExpo, we are very lucky enough to have this one in our inventory currently. We also have some other meteorite dials in our inventory as well, so check us out here at SwissWatchExpo.com.